In the next few minutes, I'll show exactly how to lock that face across every image and convert it into high-quality video. First of all, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a person for you. You can enter your details according to your requirements. Once the image is ready and you are satisfied, click on the plus icon and enable Think Longer. Then ask it to give you the complete appearance of the person, especially the facial appearance. Now you have the complete appearance of your character. Download the image and copy the full appearance description. Save it, because if the chat gets lost, you can use the details again. Next, ask ChatGPT to give you a detailed prompt in which the person is sitting in a tractor doing farming. Make sure to include the character appearance. Keep Think Longer enabled. Copy this prompt. Now you have 3 options. The first is less precise, the second is medium precise, and the third is the best. First option, you can use any image or video generator you want. For this example, let's open ImageFX. Paste the prompt there, and the images generated will have the same face. You can then use these images to generate a video using Veo or any other video generator. This works because we included the character appearance. But keep in mind, every time you won't get perfect results. Second option, we have Google Whisk. Now, Veo 3 is also integrated into Whisk. On the left side, under Subject, upload the main image of the person. It will analyze the image. You can even enter a scene or style for more consistency. Then click on Settings. Make sure the option is enabled, then lock the seed. Now paste the prompt, and it will generate consistent images. If you click on Animate, you can convert the image into a video. But keep in mind, this will charge your actual Veo credits. Let's ask ChatGPT for another prompt. This time, sitting in a cafe. Generate it using Whisk. The face remains consistent, but the thing I don't like about Whisk is that the image quality is lower. It will be about 720p, but the next tool will generate in full HD. Third option, we have Google Gemini. You can enable video or image mode. Click on the plus icon and upload the base image. Then ask it to generate an image of the same person from the reference image. Paste the prompt. The image will be generated, but it will have the same ratio as the original image. To fix this, open a new chat. Upload the image and tell Gemini that it is the reference image and to capture its appearance. Wait for confirmation. Then ask to generate the image in 16:9 ratio and paste the prompt. Now you'll get the image in the specific ratio. Gemini generates images in HD quality, more than 1080p. You can even generate videos directly through Gemini. And to be honest, it's perfect. That's it. Subscribe for more AI-related tutorials.